And we actually have a couple of options in Roomkey for how to update rates. Now, this will not be demonstrating how to create a brand new rate. We do have a webinar presentation that is included on our support website that shows you how to create a brand new rate and upload rates and attach client types and things like that in Roomkey. But these options are going to show you how to change rate pricing. Our recommended option here is to change the base rate. And I have a quick video here that's going to demonstrate how to do that inside Roomkey. So in the rate wizard in Roomkey, you'll select the rate and then you'll click the next button in the bottom right corner. Here in the bottom of the screen, you can see what the rates are currently set as, and I want to increase that using the base rate. So I'm going to enter the new base rate, which is going to be $3.55 into the base rate row. Then I select the date range that I want to apply this new rate change. So it's going to be for the beginning of July. I'll select update rate amounts, and then I'll click the save button. When I do so, I will say yes to changing the rates and applying that change to any tiered rates. Once that has been applied, I can now check my work in the lower half of the screen. I can see that the rate has changed. The base rate has changed to $3.55. And I can also check that the rate has changed as well for any subsequent room types. So using the rate wizard, we only need to change the base rate in order to change the rate pricing for all room types. And you can always check your work using the rate calendar in the lower half of that screen. Now we do have a second option. If you do not want to use the base rate method, you can use the second option to change each rate in the grid. So this video is going to show that second option here. Again, we'll use the rate wizard to select the rate plan and then click the next button in the bottom right corner. In this example, instead of changing the base rate, I'm going to unlock the grid. And for each room type, for each occupancy, I'm going to change the price manually. So this example, I'm typing in the price, the new rate per occupancy for each room type. Once I've finished that, I can now enter the date range, the date from and date to. In this case, I'm going to add this price through the end of the year. Do not click the update rate template button. You will select the update rate amounts checkbox and click the save button. You'll confirm that you want to update those rates. And once confirmed, you can now check your work in the lower half of the screen. Now this is showing me my EKS room type. I just wanted to show you here that it does upload through the entire date range. So if I go into December, I can see my rates are loaded through to the end of December, but not into 2025. You can check each room type price that you've uploaded. So here I'm checking my SQQ and my DQQ room types per distribution channel. So in Roomkey, we do allow you the flexibility of either using our recommended option number 1, changing the base rate, or you can use option number 2 and just change each rate in the grid. Now that we've seen how we can upload rates, a common question that we do get is how do you change the price of one room type?